Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make logo, thumbnails and many more other things by Canva. Now let's start the video. Now open the Google and search for the canva.com, canva.com. And then you have to click first link. Here you can get free templates, free designs, free logo. It is also available in mobile phones. Now click the first link, then this type of interface will be open. Here you can make your own videos, presentations, Instagram posts, posters, logo, Facebook posters and Facebook posters, flyers. Many things are available here. You can also make here Instagram stories and many other important things. Now this type of interface will be open after some time. Here you can get Canva free, Canva Pro for some other purpose, and Canva Enterprises. I will recommend you that you should use Canva free because it is very useful, and there is many other companies which are trusting them, such as PayPal, Goody and many other companies. And you can also read about the Canva and this full description about Canva. Now you have to simply sign up. I will sign up with my Google account. After sign up, I will choose my account by which I have to sign up. Then automatically it will be sign up on my Canvas account. Now this type of interface will be open. You have to select the small business, for student, company, personal, teacher or non-profits. So I will select for small business. You can pay this Canva, but I am not paying this Canva. Now you have to click sidebar bar, where you will get the information about Canva, that how your projects, templates, many other things are available, and you can check out the main menu of this canva.com website, that there is office use, social media use, photos and picture, marketing, custom pens, business, education, power and work for all industries, special terms, education purpose may be of teacher and school students, free teacher tools, case studies, planning and pricing. It can be free, pro and enterprise, but I will recommend you that you should always use this Canva free. And you can also write blogs, design school work. Many important things are done by canva.com. It is the most used website or app by peoples. Now I will show you that how to make a logo on this website. So simply write a logo and search for him, and you can select logo 500 multiplied by 500 px. Now this type of interface will be open. Here's thousands of templates are available, such as logos, simple, many themes are available in this website. Now I will simply go with blank page. Now this type of editing software will be available here, where you can edit your logo. There will be templates, many templates are available here. You can add text, upload elements, and many more other things are available here. And you can also share this what you have designed to other people, and also download from share button and download button. Now I will select logo or template by which other which we will make. There are many other options such as discover contact forms, YouTube's, import your media, many others important. It is very useful app by we can make for our business purposes. Now I will select a template and I will show you how to edit the template. Now select this SA1 template. It is looking nice. After some time this will available in this graph. You can change its filters, you can change the text. Now I'm changing the text as its color can be changed by this section. You can bold this, icon this. Many important features are available here. Now simply change the color. I'm changing color at the white, and now I will be able to change its more colors. You can also resize this text. Now you can also change this text into your own text, such as I am writing Mr. MBS Technology here, mr.mbs Technology. Now you can adjust this MBS Technology in this section. Look, it is going out from the circle, so I will place it outside and do like this. I have also changed the middle section, middle text into MR, and you can also change this color and save it. And if you like our video, please subscribe to our channel, share and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.